All right, we are here at the JW Marriott Water Street in downtown Tampa with Northwest Indiana elevators. And this is my first take of these with the AX43. And we are gonna go take these for a ride. How are you liking them, the elevators?
Oh, to be honest, they were pretty nice, but, you know, I don't know what the heck is going on with the floor elevators inside.
Oh yeah, they are kind of glitchy. This one. This is the one with the rear door.
Yep.
Focus camera. There we go. All right. I got the door.
Thank you.
Choose the top.
Wait.
Oh, 26 is the highest we can go. Have you filmed these yet?
Yes, I already filmed them twice.
Yeah, the indicator still says 1. And then it says 12. 17. Here we are on 26. There we go. Send it down to 1. And look at this. These actually have bumpers.
And yeah, it's bumpers.
They double as sensors though, because look at this.
Sup?
Sup? I can't believe it. We're finally meeting in person. It's about time. There's Mr. Security there. Have you made it on the service elevators yet?
Yes, I did.
You did?
Pretty cool.
Yeah. Love the chime. Oh, sorry.
No worries.
Well, the door close button works though, and we like that, as Andrew Reams would say. Love the chime.
First floor.
Go ahead.
You can head out.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll give it another spin.
Yeah.
Are you guys going up?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna jump on with you if you don't mind.
No, I won't take a picture of you, don't worry.
Oh, okay, thank
Yeah,
you. Just
you
floor
are.
5, please. Thank you.
We're just interested in the elevators.
Yes.
I like it. Okay, cool.
Yeah. These are Mitsubishi elevators.
That's true.
You don't see these very often in the US, and these are some of the first in Florida.
Oh, very cool. Well,
Yeah.
have fun, you guys. Watch out, your ears are gonna pop when you're coming down.
Oh yeah. You have a wonderful day, ma'am.
Yeah. I have Mitsubishi. Well, there is some in Chicago.
Yeah, there's some in Chicago and there's tons in California, but beyond there, they're like rare everywhere else.
Yeah, I was good surprised. I was good surprised they started installing Mitsubishis in Florida just because.
Yeah, I am surprised too. But I knew the day was coming because the office opened up, I believe, in 2016, I believe. And it still says 23. Oh, and now it just switched to 26. You want to get off here?
Sure.
I love that. Unfortunately, they only went with generic lanterns, but this is still cool though. Which floor is your room on?
23.
23? Okay. Do you mind showing us
Sure.
your room? Okay.
Yeah.
There's the Amalie Arena, and there's the new Water Street District, which appears to be mostly completed now. And there's a cruise ship in the terminal over there. Very nice view from a very nice hotel.
Yeah, it's getting surprising that they got this. Oh, listen to this.
And these have these T-shaped keyholes right here.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Now when we get in the elevator, don't push any buttons because I have this cool voice that says, please push button for your desired floor.
Uh-huh. Okay, sure, you can do that. This one. There's the interlock. And there's a look at the cab.
Coming in. Go.
I got it.
Don't push any buttons.
All right. You want to hit the keypad?
Now, watch this. Listen.
Sure.
Please press the button for the desired floor.
Oh gosh, I never noticed that.
You have selected the accessibility mode of operation. Press button when you hear desired floor, or press twice to cancel. 1. Going to floor 1.
Here we go.
It was working fine until...
Yeah, until it hit 6, yeah.
First floor.
So, you want to stop on 20, yeah, we'll go back up to 26, but then going down, we'll stop on 23, so
Yeah.
you can show us
Yeah.
your room. For MRL tractions, they're very smooth and solid feeling.
I guess nobody...
I'm guessing they're getting the Westinghouse disease, where they stop on random floors. And a little fun fact, Mitsubishi was actually a distributor of Westinghouse out in Japan in the 60s and 70s.
That's crazy. And I think Bill Gates actually funded partly this hotel property.
Yeah, I think he did.
26th floor.
All right, let's wait for the door to close so it does that voice again. All right, let's listen.
It doesn't do it. We
Oh.
push the button outside.
All right, we'll end on 23. Well, I'll show the room first, but...
23rd.
Third floor.
23rd floor.
All right. So let's see what the room here looks like.
What here at 2374. Right here. I'll let you do the honor since you are to be stepping into my room.
Look at this key.
Go with my mask.
It's all right. This is nice.
Yeah, this is actually nice.
Wow. Very nice room.
Go ahead. There's a nice view out there.
And the view's really nice too. Here you go. Wow. You got a nice view. You got some of downtown there. There's the Embassy Suites. And there's the regular Marriott with the infamous Fuji text that got modded at 17 years old. And there's Davis Island. And there's the convention center. Very, very nice.
It is.
All right, you want to head back down, or what do you want to do?
Sure, head back down.
And I'll end the video there. Well, I guess before we'll go down, I'll show the bathroom real quick.
Lights out here. Yeah.
And there's me in the mirror. Hello. Again, really, really nice room. All right, let's go down. I got the door for ya.
Thank you. I'll go this like up.
That one's going up. We're going down. Oh, what do you know? Just changed its mind. All right.
Wait.
Oh. Oh, dang, I hit the button. Oh well.
Yeah.
At least I got it on camera once.
Yeah.
Have you filmed anything else in Tampa yet?
No, this is the only place I
You filmed?
filmed so far.
Okay. Looking forward to seeing the Doazes.
Yes.
I'm excited too.
Although I think it's gonna be hard to get in because there's like security or something.
Yeah, hopefully we don't have issues. And I got the door.
Thank you.
And here we are in the lobby. And well, there it goes. I think it may stay on peak up. Yeah, but that's going to be it.